How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat? For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Snapchat application. Once you check it, launch your Snapchat application and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you are on your home page of Snapchat application, at the bottom left you will see chat option available. Simply tap on that. Then all of your chats will be seen. Now you have to see there carefully if it says sent you a snap or sent a snap. If it says sent you a snap, then that means that particular person has only sent you a snap. But if it says sent a snap, that means it has been sent to all of the people. In this way, you can clearly find out if someone have only sent you a Snapchat. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.